Hey, Jimmy with Cuff and Stuff. Man, we got another good one for you. Hey, it's a cool, rainy, gloomy spring day, okay? We're not gonna let that dampen our spirits, okay? We're going to do a chuck roast, okay? We're gonna do it a little different. We're gonna do it on the Weber Master Touch, sort of like a brisket, okay? Man, when you do it like this, it takes a little bit. You have to babysit it, watch your temperatures, but oh, it is so good. So, hang tight. Okay, so what we've got, this is about a maybe a little over 4 pound chuck roast. Now I got some people coming over for supper tonight, so that's what we're gonna feed them. All right, we haven't done anything to it. We didn't need to clean it up. It is a chuck roast, okay? So we're gonna start with Uncle Steve's cow powder. This has been around a while. I really like it with beef. And we'll get the top. On top of that, I'm gonna add Uncle Steve Shake. This is smoke bomb, okay? Love that smoke bomb. Let's get that side. Let's flip them over with the cow shake, cow powder, whichever. All right, smoke bomb. You know, I know you've heard this over and over and over, but it's called rub, but you really don't rub it, just pat it in. You want it to stay on. Now notice, I'm not using a binder. I do sometimes, but a lot of times it's just not necessary. I'm not doing it this time. I don't need it. All right, you see I've got a nice coating of shake on the outside. It's a thick piece of meat. It'll stand a good bit of seasoning. So I'm gonna let this hang out for just a little bit while I get the fire going, and then I'll bring you back. Okay. Our temp has gotten up. You see we're at 278. Now I let it go on up. On this cook, I want to cook between 225 and 250. So let's go on and put this roast on. I'm going to put the roast over here, right over the pan. And you see I've got it going on one end and it's working its way around. I'm going to take and shut the vent down to about maybe just a little more than half right there. I don't know whether you can see that or not. We've got good temp, so our cook is off. Okay, an hour in. Let's take a look. All right. Yeah, we're getting some bark on it. Water pan's still doing good. We're still getting plenty of smoke out of that piece of oak back there. Just close him up. All right. We're gonna keep on cooking. Okay. We're a little more than 4 hours in. Our temperature of the meat has not gone up 1 degree in the last 55 minutes or so, almost an hour. So we're gonna call that the stall. So if we've hit the stall, we're gonna go ahead and wrap. So let's take him off and You see, we've got good color. We've got plenty of moisture on the top. So let's take him off. We'll take him over to the table and wrap him up. All right, well, let's go over. Put this roast right on the floor. Now, I've got some Wagyu tallow. I'm going to put 2 dollops on each side. Just like that. Then we're going to take and fold them up. Just like this. Just one. Then we're going to fold him up like this. Make a nice tight little package like this. And we're going right back on the grill. Okay, let's stick our little package right back in here. As you see, I have added some more charcoal to the back, or at least I hope you can see it was time. I'm going to take my probe. I'm going to try to stick him in pretty close to where he was before on here. Let's close it up and we'll keep rolling. Okay, well, we're coming up on almost 6 hours on this cook, and as you can hear our alarms going off, our Inkbird says we're at 201, which was about the temperature I was shooting for. More important than that, I want to, oh my goodness, I want to probe this and see if we're tender, and that's like butter. So let's take him off, and I'm going to put him in a pan and wrap him up and let him rest for a little while, and after I do that, I'll bring it back. Okay, we've taken the whole package, aluminum foil and all, put in a half catering pan. We've wrapped it up with heavy duty foil, and we're going to let this sit at least 45 minutes, and then we're going to take it out and slice it, and when I do, I'll bring you back. Okay, well, this was not a short cook by any means. All right, to cook a chuck roast like a brisket, you got to do it low and slow, and that's what we did. We did it on the Weber, so you can use whatever kind of smoker you want to, as long as you know your smoker and do it right. All right, we've let this rest for over an hour, so let's take him out of the pan and put it on the cutting board. Let's unwrap this thing and see what we've got. Oh yeah, isn't that pretty? All right, so looks like we're running that way. Let's cut him in the middle. Oh yeah, cuts like butter. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at the smoke ring. Oh my goodness. Let's cut a few pieces out of this, see what we got here. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Hey, there's only one thing left to do. I'm going in. Tender. Look at this. Just pulls apart. Don't want to do a whole brisket? Do a chuck roast like this. Oh my goodness. This is definitely a brisket roast. Hey, thanks for sticking around. I appreciate it. Seeing how this cook turns out. Oh, it tastes amazing. Try it like this. You won't regret it. Hey, if you haven't already, do me a favor. Hit the circle on this side. Subscribe. Hit that like button. Throw me a comment. Hey, I'll have a video just for you right down here, even if you don't. Neither will cost you a dime. Hey, until next time, hang tight.